is Abigail. Grace.
Hey,
say hi,
that
Abby.
For my eye?
No.
Is that thing for my eye to see with?
She's got a little bit of scratches on her face because her nails are a little long. And Mommy needs to cut them, huh? Hi, Abby. Hi, Mama. Hi. And she's a little bit starving, so she looks a little desperate right now.
Why?
But she's my little baby. My little bunny. Oh. Alright.
Pick an apple by myself.
Oh. Oh yeah, you tell him. Yeah. There's a little golden hair. Okay, alright. You gotta go.